Hey y'all, good afternoon. This is Todd with $20 Budget Prepper. We're going to do a taste test today on the Clover Valley fully cooked roast beef. We did one on the Great Value, which hardly had any meat on it at all. As you can see, this thing expires 7 of 24. So we're going to see what this has got in and how much meat we got. I've decided to do a taste test today since I was sent home from work Thursday due to having too many quote-unquote COVID symptoms. So I'm awaiting my PCR COVID test to come back. So I thought today we'd go ahead and do this and see what we got. Let's open it up and we'll go from there. Okay. Oh yeah, that's definitely, it's more of a gravy than what we had with the Great Value. Instead of just water, this is more of a gravy. Well, still a little better amount than what the Great Value was. So yeah, I mean, it's got more of a gravy instead of just the water. So I'm going to make up my hot roast beef sandwich, and then I'm going to weigh this out, and we'll see how much this really cost per pound. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, before I get started, I'm going to measure out how much meat we actually have. Mode. Okay, that little thing is 6 ounces. So actual meat wise, supposedly has 13 ounces of meat, but the whole can is only 12. So let's zero this out again. And there's ounces. So it looks like we actually have, that keeps going all over the place. It says 13.7 ounces. So minus 6 is what? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we got actually 7 ounces of meat. 7.7. So there you go. Let me finish up my meal and I'll show you what we got when we're done. Okay folks, here is my hot roast beef sandwich. Now the can says 2.5 servings. That's what we got left. So I'd say it's 2 servings to get you by. But like I said, it's only, I recalculate, 7.4 ounces of meat in that. So going to have my lunch, and then I'm going to figure out what this is costing us per pound for this little bit amount of meat. This was about 20 cents cheaper at Dollar General than it is at Walmart for their brand of canned roast beef. This definitely has a lot more meat, bigger chunks, tastes just as good. So I'm gonna have my lunch, and then we'll figure out what we have for price per pound on this meat. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Okay, I've got this calculated out. Found out the can was $3.50, so this is equivalent to $7.17 a pound for this can of roast beef. Considering I just bought a 2.6 pound pot roast last week, that ended up costing me the equivalent of $7.17 a pound. So a little higher, but not bad. So I think we can live with this. Y'all have a great day. God bless.